Is it cleared? No.
Major, sir, I have a problem with the left magneto in number 2. It's giving a real hot drop on run-up.
Now, I'm pretty sure it's just the points. I can fix them while you taxi.
3 engines?
I can do this, sir.
That's crazy. What, you gonna ride the wheel?
Give it a whirl.
Yes, sir.
I don't know about this, Buck. Fixing a magneto on the hard stand. Yeah, that's one thing. But on the move?
Lemon says he'll do it, he'll do it. Believe.
Yeah.
How we doing there, Lemons? We gotta lead this squadron.
On it, Major. I'm going as fast as I can.
We got 2 planes in front of us.
Yes, sir.
We got 1 left, Buck. It's now or never.
We got 1 left, Lemons.
It's not too late to scrub, Buck. We can pull over on the right there.
We're number 1. We're number 1.
Almost there, Major.
So you're happy?
A girl worth riding to is hard to find.
Not if you know where to look.
I'll miss you every second.
Major Egan, you were the first pilot assigned to the 100th.
Me and Buck Levin.
You are in charge of 35 planes and 350 air crewmen.
Don't you die on me before I get over there. Something big is brewing.
The 8th will be sending up the largest air armada ever assembled in the history of mankind. Straight into Hitler's territory.
We need complete and total air superiority. That's the mission.
What?
You might be the last pretty face I ever see.
What's the move? We lead our boys through it.
All that we do. Day in, day out. Does something to a guy, doesn't it?
We're here to fight the monsters. The things these people are capable of. They got it coming. Trust me.
Lord, guard and guide the men who fly through the great spaces of the sky.
Are we Tuskegee men or what?
Sir, yes, sir! Be with them traversing the air in darkening storms or sunshine fair.
I think we may be done. We are gonna sit here and take it. We're gonna stick with our mission as long as we can fly.
We won't go without a fight.